Welcome to Iraya Life, a skincare brand dedicated to becoming fully sustainable with high-quality ingredients and exceptional performance at its core. Iraya Life is poised to revolutionize the beauty market through rigorous end-to-end quality checks and responsible material procurement, all while keeping sustainability at the forefront of everything we do. Our approach begins with a thoughtfully designed process that prioritizes eco-conscious decisions at every stage, ensuring that each formulation aligns with our sustainable vision. Our journey begins with the careful procurement of natural herbs and ingredients. Each herb and oil undergoes extensive testing for purity, ensuring they meet our high standards of quality. From organoleptic evaluations to advanced chemical analysis, every material is rigorously inspected to maintain the integrity of our products. Our manufacturing approach merges the richness of natural ingredients with the precision of modern science. In our dedicated production zones, we carefully design processes to maintain the potency of natural actives, minimizing the need for chemical additives. It's the perfect balance of tradition and innovation, creating effective skincare solutions for all. Our research and development team plays a crucial role in our innovation. From market research to ingredient sourcing, we work tirelessly to create formulations that are safe, effective, and in tune with consumer needs. Each prototype undergoes rigorous testing for stability, pH balance, and efficacy before moving to full-scale production. Our carefully designed filling and packaging process ensures each product is sealed with precision, preserving its freshness and efficacy. Staying true to our commitment to sustainability, we use eco-friendly packaging that reflects our dedication to the environment. At Iraya Life, we utilize industry instruments including UV spectrophotometers, viscometers, and pH meter to rigorously test and ensure the purity, consistency, and texture of our products. Our stability and microbiological testing further guarantees that our products are safe for all skin types and climates. The stability tests are conducted over a 36-month period under a variety of temperature and humidity conditions. The microbiological lab ensures that each product is free from harmful pathogens and other potential contaminants. We prioritize rigorous chemical testing to ensure each product is not only safe but also delivers the highest quality and effectiveness for your skin. At Iraya Life, we believe that beauty goes beyond skin deep. It is rooted in conscious choices and balanced actions that make a sustainable impact. Guided by our philosophy of conscious beauty beyond, we take each step with integrity. Our commitment to sustainability goes beyond eco-friendly packaging. We also focus on responsible waste management by converting our waste into biofuel, which is then repurposed to power our production processes.